across the board worldwide, cost inflation definitely has returned since 2017, and it is expected to continue this year actually. Over the next 5 years, upstream capital costs in Asia Pacific will increase by a total of 20%. In particular, cost inflation will be significant in what you mentioned earlier on, the manpower-intensive segments such as the fabrication, engineering, and also equipment manufacturing. Salaries in most upstream segments have actually been kept low since 2014, despite increase in the cost of living in the general economy. As activity picks up as we approach 2020, salaries will definitely increase and contractors will most likely be able to pass on the cost to the buyers. However, the asset-heavy segments such as the vessels and rigs, which you mentioned earlier on, will remain low over the next 5 years. The severe supply glut in these segments, which I think they are unable to clear significantly to result in strong increase in actually day rates.